Your skin isn't broken. You're just using the wrong routine. I'm about to show you a 5-step skincare system dermatologists actually recommend. Follow this, and you could see visible improvement in as little as 14 days. Here's the truth. One cleanser isn't enough. Your skin collects oil, makeup, dirt, and pollution every day. You need 2 cleansing steps. First, use an oil cleanser. Oil dissolves oil. Massage it into your skin for 60 seconds. This removes makeup, sunscreen, and deeply trapped dirt. Then use a water-based cleanser. This clears any remaining residue and leaves your skin properly clean. The result? Clean, balanced skin that actually absorbs your skincare. Most people skip this and then wonder why their serums don't work. Now listen carefully. Dead skin cells build up over time. They block your serums, sunscreen, and moisturizers from working properly. But here's where people mess up. They over-exfoliate. Physical scrubs can be too harsh and damage your skin barrier. Instead, use chemical exfoliants. AHA, like glycolic acid, is great for dry or dull skin. It removes dead skin from the surface. BHA, like salicylic acid, is better for oily and acne-prone skin. It goes deep into your pores. Use exfoliants 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Your skin can look brighter within just a week. Now let's talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is skincare gold. It helps brighten dark spots, boosts collagen, and protects your skin from environmental damage. But there's a catch. Many vitamin C serums oxidize quickly and lose their power. Store it in a cool, dark place, and use it while it's fresh. Apply it to clean skin, wait 60 seconds, then moisturize. Within a few weeks, your skin can look noticeably brighter and healthier. Now here's something most people ignore. A huge amount of visible aging comes from sun exposure. Wrinkles, dark spots, sagging skin, all heavily influenced by UV damage. So apply sunscreen every single day, even indoors, even when it's cloudy. UVA rays can pass through clouds and windows. Use enough to fully cover your face and reapply when needed outdoors. This is one of the most powerful anti-aging habits you can build. Now let's talk about retinol. Retinol is one of the most researched skincare ingredients for improving texture and aging. It boosts cell turnover and supports collagen production. But it can be strong at first. Start just 2 nights per week. Always pair it with a hydrating moisturizer. Some redness, dryness, or peeling can happen at the beginning. That's normal. Just introduce it slowly. Stick with it, and over time you'll see smoother, healthier skin. Before you go, here are 3 mistakes that might be holding your skin back. Mistake number 1, too many products. More doesn't always mean better. Mistake number 2, inconsistency. Skincare only works when you stay consistent. Mistake number 3, ignoring your skin type. Oily and dry skin need different care. Now here's your challenge. Start today. Take a photo of your skin. Follow this routine for 30 days. Week 1, build the habit. Week 2, brighter, clearer skin. Week 3 and beyond, improved texture and hydration. Your skin deserves consistency. Start today. Your future self will thank you.